Now, the next second Power BI or seventh pillar of Power BI is data transformation. Now, we are going to transform this data that we have extracted, imported here into, we are going to transform them in, we are going to transform the data in Power Query Editor. So just click on transform data and it will take us to Power Query Editor. So this is Power Query Editor of Power BI Desktop, which is the transformation window on Power BI Desktop. Power Query Editor, this is where we clean our data like I've said. So now the first thing I'm going to do here, I want to rename this data set. So what I need to do now is to click on this sheet one, right click on it, then click on it will give us all these drop down and you click on rename. I want to rename it as budget. So now you can just give it the name that you want. So this is my budget data. Now this is my budget data. So the next thing that I'm going to do now is to look at it and check what are the other things I need to remove. You can see that this data is messy. I need to clean this data to give me the right format. In this data, we have the year, all the year and the month together with their sales value. So now the first thing that I want to do again, another thing that I would like to do here is to remove the first three rows because I don't need them. They are just unnecessary rows there. I don't need them. I want to remove them. How do I remove the first three rows? All you need to do is just go to remove row, then click on remove top row. Click on remove top row. Once you've done that, it take us to where we are going to specify how many number of rows that you want to remove, how many rows that you want to remove. So now I'm going to remove the first three rows. If it is 2 rows that you want to remove, just write 2, or any number of rows you want to remove, you just write the number of rows that you want to remove. I want to remove 3 rows and click OK. So now that I've removed the first 3 rows, the next thing now is to make my first row as headers because these are the titles of my column. So I want to make it as header. So now all I need to do is just go to transform data and use first row as data, or either way, come to this button here, drop down button, click here and click on use first row as header. You can use any of the method and it will give us this what we want. It will give us the same result. So now we have our first row as header, which is the title of each of our column. Now the next thing now is to check the data again. What are the other things that you need to know? So one thing that you must have in mind is, what are the things I need to remove? What are the things I want to see in my data set while doing my analysis and my dashboard before you load the data? So now I'm checking, are all my data, how my column, are they in the right data type, the data set? So now you can see now that we have 3 year in this particular data set, the 2017, 2018 and 2019, and each of this year have total column. And total column, I don't need a total column because if I'm loading this without removing total column now, it will duplicate it. I'm going to be duplicating data because in data BI, in Power BI, we have data, we have total, we have total for all our data in the Power BI. Once you create any visual in Power BI that you want to see the total, it will definitely give us total. So now in doing this, if I load this without removing the total, it will be duplicating our data. So the next thing for me to do is to remove the total column. So I'm going to click on this, the first total column, which is 2017. Hold your control key. I'm going to hold my control key, then move to 2018. Click 2018, then total for 2019 also. Total for 2019. I've highlighted the 3 row, the 3 column that I want to remove. Now I'm going to right click and remove column. Now I've removed the total column. The next thing now is to put my year into one column, then put my value, sales value, into another column. How do I achieve that? All you need to do is highlight on all the year and the values column. So I'm going to highlight there, click on, then you highlight the first column and hold your control key and your shift key, then you go to the last column that you want to work on and it will highlight everything. Now the next thing now is to unpivot. So you right click and unpivot column. So what we did just now is to move all our year table, our year and our month into one column, and the value, which is the sales value, into another column. So all I need to do here now is to rename this as order date. Order date. Then here I'm going to name it as sales values. Sales. I'm going to name it as sales. So now I have my order date and my sales value into different column. Now we don't have it. You can see now that we're able to move all the column into just two column in Power BI. In Power BI, Power Query Editor. Now again, check the data type. Are they in right format? Are they in right format? This particular date is not in the right data type that we need. So now what we need to do is to change the right date, is to change it to the date type. So now all I need to do here now is to click on this place. Just click on this where you are seeing this ABC. Click on it. Once you click on it, you give us this drop down and then you write, just click on date. Now it has changed our order date into date type. It has changed it to date type. This is in right format. This is in the right format. This is how we want it is in the right format. Now the next thing now we are going to do now is to load that data into Power BI desktop. So now in Power BI desktop, Power Query Editor, there is no way, if you want to go back, if you want to, maybe there is an error in your data, you want to go back to the previous data that you were working with, you want to go back, you want to change it, you want to go back, like doing like you want to Control C in Excel, like there is nothing like Control C in Power Query Editor Power BI. So what you need to do is come to this apply step, go to the particular step that you want to work with. If it is the unpivot table, if it is this, just check on it and see the particular step that you want to work with. So that is how you can go back to previous step in Power BI, Power Query Editor. So now the next thing is to load my data. Now I want to load my data into Power Query Editor. I want to load my data into Power Query Editor. So now I'm going to load my data into Power Query Editor. So what I will need to do now, go to Home and then click on this drop down and click Close and Apply. So our data now is being loaded to Power BI desktop, where we start our analysis, our calculation, our data modeling, and also our report. So we've done, this is a simple way of cleaning and transforming data sets in Power BI desktop.